hell I can't find myself, like I'm someone else. I need some help, but the devil doesn't need no one else. Going off the shit crazy like a fucking elf. Somebody else can't believe this shit like a fucking belt. What the hell? Need someone else. Need to shoot myself in the fucking brain. Going off the shit I can't mean the same thing. What the hell I talking about? A pussy tank. What the hell we talking about? Going crazy on your game. Ha, never knew that bitch's fucking name. But I beat the dick so hard I gave it to her brain. Witness it. I'm a witness. I'm gonna cast a spell on top of this shit. Come back like fucking devil up in this bitch. Hell, she gonna come back savage shit. Gonna attack my ass and I suicide revenged it. Yeah, she never could stand me though. Chopped that bitch up in 1,000 pieces and buried though. Didn't burn her up, so she's still half alive on the ground screaming, eating dirt just to survive. We don't give a fuck. Top of that embalming fluid, cold sack. Gonna wreck that whole back. What the hell you wanna die? Figure 6, nigga wanna make something bigger with it. Trigger what the hell you talking about? 9mm, what you wanna figure? Fucking figure get bigger. Wanna be a giant to a motherfucking mixture. Wanna send a giant to a motherfucking mixer. Look at the picture, couldn't be the motherfucking clearer. Nintendo shit, gonna take a fucking hit. Heavy that shit was a fucking brick. What do you like that? What the hell you playing with a pen knife back in your fucking back? With a left dead on the Cadillac. What the hell you talking about? Just where you lay at? What being that stack? What the hell romantic? What the romantic? Wanna bring a fucking stack back in your pocket? Hell, we wanna own attack. Way too damn old. What's he talking about? Getting done, get a mistletoe. Upside down, bro, yo. I'm the one craving my whole fucking elbow like no, hey. Praying fucking twisters. Come back like I'm the fuck you and your fucking sister.
Now.
Yeah, coming like Mr. Dixon. Hey, coming back like I'm a Mr. Prescription Jinxer. Yeah, give me Mr. Prescription. Coming back like he witnessing. Hey, what the hell I'm doing the business in? Hey, what the hell I'm a fucking menacing? Jason Ripper coming back and what I'm fucking sitting back that.
Damn.
Hell with a heart attack. Yeah, gonna hell what the Disney shit. Yeah, grand up on top of that, bitch. Hey, paying up to $200 motel rooms. What the hell is going on? Like typhoons, cash shit down again. Hurricane Katrina, bitch. Every day, no fit, boy, we ain't fucking trying to play. What the hell we trying to wait? Trying to take a bitch out on a date. Too late.